What did you think about the installation process?
It came faster than I thought it was gonna come. I was totally shocked when the men were out here in the yard. I didn't know they were in the yard. I opened the door and I said, "What are y'all doing?" And they said, "Aren't you Fancy Richmond? You're supposed to get a roof." And I was like, "Okay, yeah. I just didn't know it was gonna happen that fast."
So it happened within a couple of weeks?
Yes, absolutely, awesome. Yes.
And then do you remember how long it took them to finish your roof?
They took the shingles, they removed everything. The delivery of the aluminum was a little bit late, but they were right here the next morning and zip, and it was done.
So it was done in a day?
Yes, absolutely.
Wow.
Yes.
That's great.
Remember everything that was said, and then you actually make it happen and fast. And even when I was having a problem with the signing of the papers and stuff, my phone wouldn't let me sign it, and even they sent the guy that came out here to do the measurements, he told him to pull it up and let me sign it on the pad.
Yeah.
And it still wouldn't let me sign it.
Oh my goodness.
And then when I called the office, they said, "Don't worry about it, Miss Richmond, we gonna work it out."
Yeah.
And they did exactly what they said they was gonna do. They worked it out. That's amazing.
Choose from 18 vibrant, fade-proof colors to match your home style. Enjoy the energy savings, durability, and lifetime warranty that comes with every Gator Metal roof. Visit metalroofingcolors.com to schedule your free estimate today.